Get out of the car! 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 No, you're not getting out of the car. Get out of the car!
I can't.
Get out of the car!
Trying to get out of the car. Dude,
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hey, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Move your leg! Get out of the car!
what's going on here, bro?
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car, dude.
Get out of the car!
What is going on?
Bro, reverse him, baby. Reverse him, reverse it.
What's going on?
Bro, reverse him, baby. Reverse him, reverse it. What's wrong with you guys, bro? What the fuck is going on?
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now!
Get on the ground. Get on the
Get out of this way!
this way.
Climb over there! Climb over!
Get on the ground.
Climb over!
Get on the ground. Get out. Get out. This way.
Get out!
Get out of the car! This way! Climb over!
Yes, it is.
Get on the ground.
Let me see your other hand.
Get out.
Let me see your other hand.
Get out.
How do I get out?
Get out
This
this way.
This way! Climb over!
Hey, don't reach for
Put down! Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back!
2340 over check on your
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground.
Put your hands behind your back!
What's going on?
Whose vehicle does this belong to?
550. We'll have two detained, one female, one male. She did ram the passenger side of my front bumper. Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that. I was
Anything else?
No.
Transport 550, are you still needing APD? Get out that way. Transport 550, are you still needing APD? Get out that way.
That's not.
In the back. They'll talk to you right now. Be safe, brother.
All right, brother, thanks. What's up? No, nobody's better. I'm down here.
Okay.
You have anything in your pockets gonna poke me, stab me?
No, sir, no.
Nothing?
Yeah, so when I was getting gas here, then I kind of seen her like dozed off. So then he stepped out real quick, and then there was another lady here with her child, so that's why I got out. Because I wanted to make sure that lady and her child, because she had a little, like a toddler, so I wanted to make sure they were okay, but just like he jumped out right away, and then she was like trying to figure out what was going on. So I ran their plate and came back stolen. So it's actually stolen from you guys, I believe, yesterday. Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, she was trying to fidget the car to put in, and he came behind, I came forward, and she just gave it. You went forward? Oh yeah, she hit me pretty solid.
You already notify your chain? No.
I just told them,
Okay.
but minor.
It's going to be on the original charges of speeding. It's going to be a 201.
With both suspects in custody, troopers face a new problem: identifying the male suspect.
What's your social?
I don't know my social by heart. Nothing.
You don't know your social by heart? Do you have a driver's license?
No, you don't, sir.
Do you have an ID?
No,
You have no identification.
I don't right now.
Where are you
sir.
from?
From here.
You're from here? Where'd you grow up? What part of town?
From.
I mean, here's the deal, bro. Is you can start lying to me and get in more trouble.
I'm not lying to you.
Well, where are you from then?
I ain't from nowhere, but I mean,
Well, we're all from somewhere, dog. You got family, you got boys. We all have that.
No, yeah. I have family, but yeah.
Where are you from?
I have a grandma that lives right in the North Valley.
In where?
In the North Valley, and I have
Okay.
a grandma. I mean, my mom lives in the war zone.
The war zone. So if I run your run your name and birthday, it's gonna come back to you.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna come back to a picture.
Yes, sir.
So you do have a driver's license. So you have an ID.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Do you got warrants? That's why you're all.
No, sir.
You sure?
No, I'm all freaked out. I'm like, what the
Why are you
hell?
freaked out?
Because I don't even know what the hell is going on. You guys are saying that. I'm saying that we're in a stolen car. I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, it's crazy, bro. No.
Well, I get that, bro. Well, you know what
freaked
makes
out.
it easier is just being straight with me, you know?
Yeah, sir. I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
Alright, what you like?
Thank you. It's
What's up?
I wouldn't be able to share a cigarette with her or something like that. Just
See if we can get a cigarette, but sharing with her, no.
no.
Okay? No. Okay? I'll see if I can get you a cigarette, though. But let's see how straight you're shooting me, okay? Alright, what you like? You wanna take a look at me, bro? Look at me. Yeah. Good?
Thank you.
Look up. No, like, look at me.
Good. Sorry, step up. Says it my eyes.
There. Good?
Yeah.
Homie, look at me.
I think I just ran. You tell me what the picture's for?
We had to ID you.
Oh. Sorry.
Look up at me. Here. I got it. You got it? Cool. All right, go ahead and slide back in. He comes in. He goes, so I guess Jerry's on a call with a...
No, I said Jerry found a car.
Found a car. Oh, yeah, that's right. Jerry found a car that was involved in a carjacking. And I was like, can I go? Can I go? Can I go? Can I go? So if you're born in 85, how old are you?
Huh?
If you're born in 85, how old are you? See? So, like,
I'm 43.
you're 43? Get the f*** out of here.
85 and 30 and 39.
Bro, you were born in like late 90s, early 2000s. No 45-year-old.
Huh? I have a warrant for
What's your name again? Alex, Escalera. Alex Escalera.
How old are you again?
24.
24.
I'm turning 25.
You're too young, bro.